Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please to click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all the videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so to this video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this, another Amazon Prime. So let's open sesame and see what's in here. So this one, my husband bought it for me, so I'm not sure what is this because he didn't tell me. He said,
You probably won't like it.
he said this is a surprise. What is that? Let's see. Needs cutting.
Careful.
Oh, it's Bagsmart. Bagsmart, guys. I love bags. Oh my gosh, this is nice. Oh,
I think it's quite thin, so it's not one that will
what
last.
thin? It's thick. It's like freezer bag. It's thick. The
And
wall.
it's quite big.
The wall is
This was
big.
the smaller one.
So it's, oh my gosh, it's a picnic bag.
Yeah, it's like when you're going for a day out. I actually bought it for you to use as your daily work bag, but I think it's gonna be too big.
Oh, I can use this in Switzerland.
Yeah.
Oh, this is, oh, I can put
Water.
3 waters
You
in
can
here.
put thermos on one side, 2 waters on the other side. I think there's another one on the other side. Other one?
Yeah,
Same.
yeah, it's the same. And there's a thing as well to,
All tight.
so this one is like to shorten it as well. So it's not bulky. So it's just, so it's a, press this button. And then pull like that
And then press. You don't need to press, man.
to shorten it. And it's inside is the bag, the inside bag is the zip thing is a clear plastic.
Is it just one compartment in there? Or is there any
So
other?
that is one, and then another one like that.
Without zips.
Yeah. Oh, there are 3 in there to put mobile, to put something in there. So it's quite big. And hello, my love. Oh, sit down, sit down. Okay, and then at this on the side of the bag there is a zip. It's a long zip there, and then another one, a long zip as well. So it's a bit smaller. So it's more or less the same height.
How about the other side? Any on the other side?
The other side is this.
No, that you
Oh,
can
so
attach
this
to a
is,
suitcase with a handle.
yes. See, that's what I told
The
you.
reviewer said that one, after one use, it stretched or something, so it wasn't that much use.
Really? This?
Yeah.
So this is it. I'm going to use this in Switzerland, darling. End of this month.
Oh.
Yes! And there is this as well.
The shoulder strap.
Yeah, shoulder strap. This is a shoulder strap. This is like, if it's heavy.
I think that is the shoulder strap, the one you're holding.
Yeah, it's like a shoulder strap as well, but that is too long to be.
You can probably adjust it.
So where should I put this? This I'm going to clip in here. And then the zip is more or less the same height, but this one is adjustable. And this one, I don't know
Shouldn't that be in the center?
Yeah, but there's a thing in there.
Yeah.
It doesn't go up. So I don't know what's
Doesn't
the use.
look right.
Yeah, but I don't know what's the use of that. There
It
is
should be in the middle.
See? This thing is like that. How could that? And it does. Maybe it goes inside. I don't know. Maybe it goes through and then put it in the middle. I'll sort that out. But so far it's good, and I like the cherry print in here, cherries. And it's not. It's quite nice and soft. It's like insulated.
Good.
Insulated. So that's why I said it's good for picnic. Oh my god, so this is good for picnic. Wow. Thank you so much, darling.
You're welcome, madam.
So I will do it like this. How do I look? Amazing.
Yes.
This is amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. See, this one you give this to me, and you give this to me as well.
Yes.
So, thank you. I'm not buying anything for me because you are providing everything for me.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching for today. Unboxing this Bagsmart. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget, please watch my other videos and watch my playlist as well. You can, I'm sure you will find something you like to watch. Okay guys, thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara, love, love, love. Hello babies. Hello, say hello world. Hello YouTube world. Our baby's name is Wealthy, guys.
Wealthy baby.
Wealthy baby. Okay guys, thank you. Tara, love, love, love.